Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this higher 43-inch LED TV that comes to repair with this backlight fault. As we discussed earlier, these types of backlights, the LED will burn after its lifespan, so here it's better to replace the entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetition in same fault. So friends, here we buy 2 new backlight strips. So let's replace the old backlights and install these new backlights. Finally, here we fixed new backlights. Now let's fix panel diffuser sheets, panel frame and panel back to TV. See friends, now we connected the panel. Finally friends, now connect all sockets, everything back to TV. See, now the work is done and the TV is repaired successfully. So let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.